So now we're going to add a WAC to a facility. Previously, we've added the Hendersonville Lighting Institute to the system. Now we're going to add the WAC to the system. So what we need to do is select your facility. Under the commission ribbon, you want to go to Gateways. Gateway corresponds to your WAC60. For this particular purpose, I'm going to go into the current WAC that's online. You want to insert your name and description of the WAC. Make sure that your software version is on the latest version of the firmware that's supplied to your system. The main information that you want to have from the WAC would be the MAC address. This will be the same as the IEEE address. You want to make sure that that information matches the WAC that you have in the system. You will see that an IP address has been populated here. This comes from the information from the video that we talked about when we did an IP address configuration within the WAC. So that information is brought over from when you configured that before. The other thing that you may or may not see when you first log on is the Zigbee channel. When the WAC has no devices on it, the Zigbee channel will be blank. After the WAC has been opened and starts to receiving devices, which we'll talk about later, it will populate a Zigbee channel. You can also, after a Zigbee channel has been set, you can also change it here as well if you need to. Another feature of the WAC60 is that you can enable BACnet. You will need your BACnet parameters to be able to do this, but essentially all you need to do is to select the drop down and enable your BACnet capability. This is how you add a WAC60 to a facility. Thank you.